This isn't just any old beach day. This is perfect day at CocoCay, and if you don't plan your day correctly, you'll miss the best parts. Hi guys, welcome back to The Cruising Nurse. I'm Ashley Neal, I'm a registered nurse and also a travel agent. Today we are going to talk perfect day at CocoCay. We are going to talk about some of the highlights of the island, the beautiful entrance, Hideaway Bay, the kids splash park, thrill water park and their wave pool, along with some other items as well. We're going to talk about my favorite places, and then at the end I'm going to let you guys decide what your favorite part of perfect day at CocoCay is. Welcome to Royal Caribbean's perfect day at CocoCay. This is your ultimate private island getaway, and it's where adventure and relaxation meet. Today we're diving into the incredible experiences waiting for you on the island's paradise. Let's explore. First up, let's head to Splashaway Bay. This is the kids' water park. This vibrant play area is perfect for little cruisers, with tons of interactive water features, slides, and a giant tipping bucket that keeps the fun going all day long. For the thrill seekers, you can't miss this ultimate thrill park. It has the world's tallest water slide, Daredevil's Peak, and a ton of other adrenaline-pumping attractions like the twin twisters, tidal wave pool, and a massive wave pool, perfect for catching a wave or two. Need somewhere to stash your stuff while you hit the water? No worries. Over here on the right is where your lockers are available, and they're available throughout the island so you can keep things safe while you have some fun. Coming up here on the right is going to be the wave pool. You'll see it just a second here. This is where you can check in for your cabanas if you rent them for an extra fee. So right over here is your wave pool. This is a great place to take your family, the kids. There's lots of lounge chairs and umbrellas to sit to get out of the sun. And your kids can splash around with the waves that run mostly all day long. Right here, you're going to see some of the other water slides at the thrill park. They're quite fun. They seem to be quite busy, but the lines seem to go quite quickly. There's lifeguards available at all these different pools and slides. And then this water slide that's coming over here on your left, this looked like it was a lot of fun. There was a lot of kids coming down off of this and they seemed quite happy. A little bit scared, but happy once they get off it. Next coming up is going to be Hideaway Beach. This is an adult-only paid experience at Perfect Day. So if you're looking to relax in style, this is probably going to be the place for you. So when you pull up to Hideaway Beach, you have to scan your C card to get in. That will let them know that you've purchased a ticket to enter. Again, this is adult only, 18 plus, and you have to purchase a ticket in advance. Now in here, there is a covered bar with fans, lots of lounge seating so you can get out of the sun. These are private cabanas that you can purchase for a fee. Has some really nice areas to get out of the sun, along with some sun loungers, and there's also some water and some seating under those cabanas. Also, there is going to be a large access to a white sandy beach. Lots of beach chairs and umbrellas again, as I said. It's quite a nice area. Now this area does have a max capacity, so it won't be overcrowded, although it will be crowded, but there is a max capacity of tickets that can be sold. Now, over by the bar, you are going to see that there is going to be a resort style pool that you have access to with a swim up bar, and it's heated, so it's a nice temperature. So if you're not really a beach person, you can lounge in this resort style pool. Again, there's some sun loungers in the pool, which is nice. And there's lots of space. This was peak time of the day, and there was still lots of space in this area. So if you're looking for somewhere without any kids around, with high energy and a DJ playing music all day long, this is going to be where you want to be. This is a glimpse of the hot air balloon. You can actually purchase a ticket and go up in that. As we're traveling on the tram, I just took some footage of some of the beaches and activities like beach volleyball, different chairs, umbrellas, beach access. One of the things I really like about Royal Caribbean is the colorful chairs and ships they have. It really brightens everything up on the beaches and on their ships as well. The bright colors makes you just feel extra happy and want to be there. It's quite nice. I really like that. What do you guys think about the colorful aspects of Royal Caribbean? So there's tram stations like this all over the island that you can pick up the tram. Here are some beach accessible strollers and wheelchairs. So if you have someone in your party that requires accessibility, this is quite a nice option for them. These are the trams, and they also have accessible trams as well. Now we're going to check out Coco Beach Club. It's an exclusive Oasis that you need to purchase a ticket to get into this place as well. It has a serene pool, a swim-up bar, a pristine, beautiful white sandy beach. And this is really the ultimate spot for relaxation with just an added touch of elegance, as you're going to see once we walk into the club here. As you enter the Coco Beach Club, you're greeted with a cool, moist towel if you so choose to take one. There's a nice area you can sit and have some food. There's a bar right up here in front of us here. This is one of their couple of bars they have. Great service. All the people working here were just very, very nice. Okay, so we're gonna walk up here and get a nicer view of the pool. It's fairly large. It doesn't seem to be overly busy, and just down beyond the pool is where you can access the beach. There's also some beach activities you can do out there as well. Again, this is the bar, very good service. Coming up here, I'm just showing you one of the main tram stations that you can get on, one of the many trams. It's shaded, so it's a nice area. There's shade and there's benches that you can sit and relax while you're waiting for your ride. And of course, no visit to CocoCay would be complete without a dip in the Oasis Lagoon. This is the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean. With its own bar, you'll have everything you need to unwind under the sun. As you can see, this is a large resort-style pool as well. Not much different than Hideaway Beach, although this area is included in your perfect day pass. There is no extra fee to come to this area. There's a swim-up bar, cabanas, lounge chairs, tables inside the pool, which are nice with little seating areas. It's got some nice views. Again, this is lifeguard watched, so if you have little ones, it's a little added safety measure. And as I said, all of this is included, and it's a very nice area. A little quieter than Hideaway Beach. There's not as much music and high energy, but it's a nice place to relax and enjoy your day, a perfect day. There's lots of lounge chairs and umbrellas, and this is all included. As you'll see in a second, I'm going to go over and get a better look at the bar. It's quite large, especially for the size of the pool. Again, with the colors, just beautiful. It's a huge bar. One side is a walk up and the other side is a swim up. So you can do whatever you decide to do. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope this was informative for you for Perfect Day at CocoCay. Let me know in the comments below if you've been here before and what is your favorite place at Perfect Day. See you next time.